Yeah, man, one of the best cook shop this Island Kitchen.
Yeah man, just came off the grill. Look at that. Some nice jerk pork.
This is how busy it is when it comes to lunchtime. You have to run like a head cut off like chicken.
Look at this. Lovely juicy fried chicken.
Oh man, the food awesome man, the food good man.
Yeah?
The food man, are the best food around here man.
Yes guys, I know it's early in the morning and I'm here in Brampton to check out this restaurant. We're talking about Island Kitchen and Catering. Yeah man, come to check out to see what they have on the menu, to see what the chef cooking. Yes guys, so make sure you stay tuned because this one gonna be an epic video. Yeah man, some real authentic Jamaican food. So let's go and see what the chef cooking in the kitchen. Yes guys, so I'm here with Shan. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, she's one of the owner for Island Kitchen in Brampton.
Alright.
Yes. So what will be cooking today?
Well, we'll start out with breakfast in the morning. Our breakfast time is from 8 till 11. And we do, the national dish from Aki, go straight down to salt mackerel and come up with fried dumpling festival and some good plantain. And then we start our lunch from 11 o'clock till up to dinner time, 9 o'clock. And from there on we serve some oxtail, some jerk pork, some curried goats, some good fried chicken. Just come out and test out.
Alright, so we are going to go in the kitchen and we're going to see what the chef them are cook up in the morning here, right? Alright, yeah. Yeah man, so right now we're there with Chef who?
Chef Tony,
Chef Tony.
Chef Tony from Island Kitchen, you see me?
Alright.
Now we have to do some boiled dumpling in the morning.
Okay,
Ready.
yeah.
Right now,
Alright.
See me there.
So wait, do you like a pre-make your dumpling and?
Yeah. We kind of pre-make it from overnight, you get me?
Okay.
So in the morning, I will sit and ready.
Yes.
So I'm going right now,
Yes.
Real, man.
Okay. See? That's the kind of angle they cut the dumpling, guys. Alright, so what we have over here, chef?
Yeah, we have green banana,
Oh,
Yeah, man. About to ready next 15 minutes.
yes. See that, guys.
Green organic.
Green organic.
Green organic banana.
Yeah, man.
Next 15 minutes already, see?
Yes.
Alright. So yeah, right now we have some provision going, some dasheen, some sweet potato, and some pork, you get me?
Yes.
Real provision. See the real authentic dasheen,
Yes.
Pork with them I said sweet. Sweet potato. Alright, make that the one there.
Okay. What you say, you're going to throw your caramel porridge?
Caramel porridge.
Look at that, guys. Right here, you're just making his cornmeal porridge. Yeah, man.
Right now you keep on whistling it so you got lump free, right? You don't want to lump in the part when your part to be smooth.
Okay. So you have to keep whisking it.
Yeah, man, whisking it.
Yes.
Caramel porridge is a very delicate porridge, you understand?
Yes. Yes.
So just start the breakfast. The breakfast, we have some liver cooking right now.
Okay.
There's liver right there.
Yes.
Alright. Some hot pepper. Just putting that hot pepper in the what's a little drop? The pepper very hot, right?
Okay. So when you say hot pepper, that means this is what you blend up or your own?
Yeah, we blend this our own pepper, we blend up and stuff, right?
Okay. See that, guys? Just tip.
Now we're just going to set up our breakfast. All these things are prepped. So we have them in the morning to squeeze the flour with.
Okay.
Put some onions and stuff.
Okay. So the onion is already, you already prepped them already?
Prepped them overnight.
Yes.
Sweet peppers.
Okay.
You're going to make the breakfast colorful and eye-catching to the people. You understand?
Yes, yes. And the sweet pepper bring out the flavor too, right?
Right.
Yes. Some tomato there.
And some starfish right now.
Okay.
And we're cooking Acken starfish.
Yes. Yeah. Right there, cooking, doing some ackee and saltfish. Nice.
Color one starfish over here.
Which one is this
Color
one?
one starfish.
Kalaloo and saltfish. Okay. Yeah. But saltfish already boiled and you already
Perfect and everything. Right?
Yes.
Starfish.
Okay.
Over here we have okra and starfish.
Okra and saltfish. Okay.
On Saturdays we cannot go all over the breakfast, no? Many breakfasts on Saturdays.
Yes. Because they're more busy on Saturdays, right?
Friday and Saturdays for the breakfast.
Yeah.
So we were going for variety, you know?
Okay. Yes, guys, one thing I must say, in the kitchen here, well clean. Yeah, man. As you can see how the chef them well organized and have everything prepped and everything ready.
Some seasoning now, no?
Okay.
Yeah, make people know the kind of seasoning I use, you know?
Yeah, you have your own special ingredients.
Mix up and things,
Yeah.
yeah?
See that, guys? Chef have his own seasoning that he put on his ackee and saltfish, the okra and saltfish.
Back is one thing, but a different thing, you know? Because you don't know, you can't make it better.
Alright. Yeah. Talking about.
Find out right now. Just acquire the taste, bring up the taste a little bit, you know?
Okay. Nice. Banana them ready. Okay. See that, guys.
So good one, condensed milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, naturally.
Alright. Yeah, so it's a banana ready to serve, chef.
Ready, ready.
Alright.
Okay, you know, what you want to find thing.
Yes.
So, sauteed the vegetable and things, then we just throw them in afterwards.
Okay. Alright, guys, as you can see, that's your ackee.
Working the season and things started and properly.
Yes.
Nice and colorful, you know?
Right.
You want to get the food out there properly so people know what's going on, you know? Because we get a lot of good reviews on the food, you know? Eat food, eat good.
Yes.
So want people know what's going on and can find the spot. Is it matter?
Okay. Yeah, because you know once the food nice, people have to come back twice, right?
Have to come back 2 times, 3 times, 4 times.
That's it.
That's how people live here, you know?
Yes. What I like about the chef them too, guys, the chef them well clean. The place is very clean. As you can see, chef them organized, you know? That's every day. Yeah. That's it, guys.
Clean kitchen gear, clean food.
Yes.
Good food.
So, what is chef name?
Franco, man, original Franco.
Franco. Original. Yes. Alright. I don't know where they are with Chef Franco same way, guys. Yes. Right, that's the liver right here. Yeah, man. That's it, guys.
Beautiful, you know?
Beautiful. See this, guys. Look at that.
Good icon. When I callaloo seeds, so we get the fresh callaloo, but not sometimes you use, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sometimes you have to use a tin callaloo.
Callaloo. When the time comes for fresh callaloo, then leave it in the summertime.
Okay. So as you can see, guys, callaloo. Yes. Yes.
The butter now.
Right. Yeah.
The black pepper on the pan there.
Yeah.
Fresh and whole, I don't want to mash up, you understand?
Yes. Yes. You know?
Treat it like a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a little upfront sausage now. Mixing it right now.
Aki here, so.
Chicken sausage, almond sausage, upfront sausage.
Okay. This guys, look at this. Yes. Okay.
dumpling and dasheen and thing and sweet potato.
Yes.
Can't get no yam right now, no, guys, you know?
Yam, you know. From Jamaica, you can't get the yam from Jamaica.
Can't get no yam right now because the hurricane and thing, you know?
Yes.
Just over there now, no yam.
Yeah.
People love the yam, you know?
They love their yam.
Yeah.
Of course, you know, because when you're eating your ackee and saltfish and stuff, you want a piece of yam, right?
Nice provision.
Yes. Where is the chef?
Yeah, man, most definitely, man. Every single day, you know?
Yeah.
8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Weekdays. Sunday, 9 morning.
Okay.
So right now, kind of day I'll go for you see,
Breakfast getting.
yeah. People them soon start rolling, so they kind of have speed up the thing a little more, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
See that, guys? We're in the kitchen early in the morning showing you what the chef them cooking. And right now it's breakfast time and chef them just on the go. As you can see. Yeah, they just
Authentic food, you know?
real authentic Jamaican food. Yeah, man, that's how it is. Yes, yes.
Island Kitchen, Brampton.
What you say? Island Kitchen, Brampton.
Kitchen, Brampton, 175 Fletchers Street.
All right. Yes.
Breakfast, you know?
Okay. Yes. Okay, so you said Kalaloo ready.
Kalaloo ready, Aki ready, liver ready.
Aki ready. Yes. Ready.
Fill them up now. Make sure of the excessive oil and fry, because you know that the people don't like the oil.
Yes.
So just throw out some of the oil and fry, you know? So now you have to keep the oil and kind of keep it.
Yeah.
It's going to be the display warmer.
Okay.
Things presentable, very nice, you understand?
That's it. That's it. As when I say, chef, what I admire about you guys, clean.
Very nice and pretty.
What is it, chef?
I'm going to take the food and I'm going to Ready.
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 Okay. Yeah. That guys.
Ready for Papa now.
Alright.
Farming part ready, you know.
Alright guys, look at that. Yes. So yes, chef, we're looking about now.
Some festival now.
A festival.
Yeah, man, real farming festival, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
And these are homemade festival.
yeah man, homemade one. Prep already, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we kind of tie them down. Them a
Okay.
different style, you know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Realize it, man. Look at that, guys. Nice. Yeah. The people them love the festival when they
Yeah,
come.
some man.
Yeah.
Festival and a whole up, man. 3-4 bag a week, you know.
3-4 bag a week.
3-4 bag a week. Every single week. 3-4 bag. Festival, them nice, man.
Man?
Tell them, authentic.
Yes. Make from scratch.
Make from scratch.
Where's your chef?
Yeah, man.
Festival ready.
Ready, as I set them up to go and see, you know.
Okay. Look at that, guys.
Festival them pretty. Started.
Okay. So what are you gonna prepare now, chef?
Some tripe and bean and some salt, mackerel.
Oh.
So same with the home style pepper, you know.
Okay.
You cook it. And it's very hot, you know.
Okay. Scotch bonnet.
Ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper.
But ghost pepper, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I eat that.
Alright.
Salt, a little vegetable.
Yeah.
Time to bring out the flavor in your foods here, alright?
Yes, I have to have time. I can smell the aroma from that already. Yeah.
Just a little pimento, yeah?
Yes. See that, guys? Yes, guys, you see that? You can see right here, so pimento, you have the onion, you have the carrots. Time. Yeah.
As you know, sir, you use better pop curry.
Better pop curry.
None other than better pop curry.
Yeah, guys.
Nice and pretty.
Yes. Give it that richness, the color and everything. The flavor from the better pop.
No imitation. Tripe,
Yeah.
you're gonna pre-cook it. Like it's a long time to cook, right?
Yes.
Right, so you're gonna pre-cook it down.
Yes. Cook it down. Yeah. So right here we have it. We're making now, chef.
We'll make some salt mackerel, so just put a little bit of coconut cream.
Yes.
Saute with it, see?
Okay.
Alright. Eat add some onions.
Okay. Look at that, guys.
It's all about preparation. You gotta have your things prepared.
Yes.
So now you come in the morning with a flow.
Yeah. Makes sense because the things go faster that way too.
Right.
Yes. Some sweet pepper. Nice.
Vinegar, a little bit so they touch.
Okay.
To bring up the flavor and stuff, you understand?
Yes. Yes. Add some vinegar to it. Yes.
Prep it on the day before, so you know?
So that's a mackerel right here.
Mackerel, right.
Yeah.
Black pepper.
Someone earned one this morning.
You can cook with a balance, you understand?
Yes.
Enough veg to the amount of meat we have in the pot, you understand?
Yes.
Balance is important.
Yes, you have to know how much to gauge the seasoning and how much to, you know, you don't want over.
You don't need to cook a lot. Obviously, you have the pre-cook already and prepare for the day before, so the salt and everything will be alright.
Okay. Yeah, man. What you say, chef?
So I tell the cameraman to say when I'm eating my food today,
Yes.
they pay my little for me to serve them. And my food.
Alright.
Best food about.
Yeah, man. As you guys can see. Yeah, man. Salt mackerel.
With a slight brown down in it. That's it.
Alright, guys.
Final cook. Try to figure out now.
Okay. See that, guys? Curry chai pan bean. Yes, sir, chef. That's
That's a trap and bean right there.
Yeah, nice.
That's some beautiful.
Yeah, man. Where is some fried dumpling?
Jamaican style.
Yes. Look at that, guys. Yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. some fried ripe plantain.
Right, plantain. No one can eat a breakfast without some plantain.
Yes, some good ripe plantain, right?
Yep.
Mm.
It's a large breakfast. Some dasheen and yam and sweet potato.
Yeah.
Turn off the water because I don't want to mess up the flavour of the breakfast. You said one color, two okra?
Yeah. We're here from the time it opened up still.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Make sure you come visit Island Kitchen on
Ye-
Blvd in Brampton, on Blvd on Fletchers Creek.
Yes.
All right.
So you say he's a regular customer?
Regular customer. Here every week, sometimes twice.
Nice.
Twice a week.
Yeah,
All right?
man. All right.
Right? I'm ready to train you.
Yeah. Nice.
Soft plantain, nice and sweet.
Yes, them like the ripe plantain.
Prefer it with the fried dumpling, you know?
Okay.
Now eat it with no side, just fried dumpling and plantain. You just open up the fried dumpling, put it in the middle and take a sandwich.
Ah. Where is the chef? Where you have here so some?
Rice and peas on the pot.
Yes.
Set it up right now.
Yeah. All right. Yes, guys.
So we think by measurements. Every day you come, it's the same taste I get every single day.
Yeah.
Alright? Precise.
Yeah. Nice.
Alright, right now we have a natural seasoning blend up.
Yes.
You know, and some thyme, sir.
Yes.
Some scallion.
Yeah.
Secret over here, so you know.
Ah.
So we have some pimento, same speed, same weight.
Yes.
Some garlic powder up on the side, you know.
Yes. All right.
Alright, now you're kind of ready for the pot, you know.
Okay.
See them more natural there. See them. Beef
And this-
cooked already.
Okay, so this going in rice and peas.
Yeah, right in the rice and peas, naturally, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, peas done sort out already, so I eat that.
All right.
Rich.
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 See that bring out the flavor in the rice and peas too, you know. Cause you see when you cook your rice and peas, you have to have your coconut milk, you know.
Have to most definitely have, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Part of the secret.
All right. Yes, guys. Where's the chef?
So I say right now, them butter.
Yes.
2008, 2009, enough wash and clean and butter still have them pot down make again. You understand? So all the packet for sure, sir. A long time I do this thing, and the butter well clean.
And what we notice about the pot them shine
Right.
from 2008.
2009, a long time I do this. See?
Gosh.
The pot them shine, see me when I wear the butter pot.
Yes. So chef, how long now you been cooking for?
Long time now.
Yeah.
Long time I cook from Jamaica.
From Jamaica days.
Gilbert run through the place and baking food and white rice where I eat. Back, you see me, I say?
Yes.
I'm telling you, I have to survive, but I'm telling you, I have to cook from, you see?
Okay. And then Gilbert come out from back in the 1988.
And it's a long time. Sure, it's a long time I do this thing.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
Born and bred in this.
Yes. Yes.
Then, some curd and curry goat and thing.
Okay.
I have to boil the curry, you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Same thing, rich curry. Better curry.
Better.
All the curry.
Yes.
They use.
Realize that.
No fabrication, straight. You understand? So
Yeah.
you buy them thing and put them back, you know, sometimes we can't get them.
Yes.
So we make sure we buy them and stack up and only curry we use.
Okay. And you can't run out of curry.
You can't run out of them a curry. There's no problem. So we buy them and stack up. hold it and start
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, man. So right now we have a jerk cook, so you see.
Yes.
We are putting it home to cook it now.
Okay.
Put it on the grill after you get it.
Okay, so this is well marinated.
Yeah, we have some man, we'll marinate over a week, you know.
Over
Well,
a week?
Over a week, you know.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah, man, properly, man.
All right, nice, nice. So you know, sir, the season well soaked and well marinated is.
Aroma tight already.
Yeah, man. So this is the grill where you're gonna
Yeah, this is the grill we like after, you know.
All right. Yes, guys.
The place clean, you know.
Yeah.
Back to another season, you know.
So you guys were looking about lunch now.
Yeah, right now we are going to go some lunch, you see me?
Yes.
So let's stay tuned and go and watch what I'm going here.
All right, all right.
That's how it moves.
Curry chicken.
Oh, so there's some curry chicken.
Season up and thing, you know.
Yes. So season like what? Couple days now.
Couple days now and things.
Okay. Let's look at that. So you know, so the season well marinated and you kind of smell the aroma where come from that, you know? Yes, guys. Yes. So that's their curry chicken. Season up and you know, so look at that, you know, so it's seasoned well marinated in that. Yes, guys.
Yeah, man, right now we'll cut up some carrot for the goat, you know.
Okay. Yes, chef. What inspired for cooking?
Well, I tell you, so you know, some while you do, you really want something nice to cook and your mother not the woman or something, so I say me try things, you see it, so
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, man. So that inspired for you know become a chef.
Oh, yeah, so man, I've become a chef, man, you know.
Yes.
Greatness all tight, you know.
Yes. So how long you been doing it professionally for?
Maybe a year and a half now.
A year and a half?
Yeah, a year and a half now.
Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nice. Make the people them know where chef name again.
Yeah, Chef Tony, man, you see it.
Chef Tony.
Yeah, man, out of Brampton.
Alright. Yes, guys, as you can know, we're in Brampton.
Yeah, man, 175 Fletchers Street,
Alright.
Unit 6.
Yeah, man.
Already, man.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Curry chicken look good, chef. Yes. Okay. So there so you have your oxtail. A season of the oxtail. Nice.
You know we are mixing anything in there, you know.
Okay. And
Oxtail.
this is the oxtail.
Right.
Yeah. They add all the seasoning to it already. Nice.
Nice color and everything, you know.
Yeah. The oxtail look, you know.
Dark and lovely.
Yes.
One simmer down and you know.
Yeah.
Now we have some snow chicken, so you see, well seasoned already. We're going to drop it in our air, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, so some nice grill too, you know, and then easy to pick up.
Okay.
Stew chicken, you know.
Yes.
Home style.
Alright. Stew chicken home style. Yeah.
I am that.
Yeah. So you add some time on the curry chicken.
Alright.
Yeah.
So cook small portion of certain things like that.
Yes.
So later on if we finish, we'll just cook the next part. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Keep the food fresh away. You understand what I'm saying?
That's right.
Alright.
So you already have you meat them already pre-seasoned up and everything ready to go.
Ready to go.
Curry chicken coming on, chef.
You know. Go on, you know?
Yes.
You don't disturb and things. I want this to all I see.
Yes.
You don't want the meat mash up and things, you know?
Yes, because when we notice how you do your curry chicken to the meat them big, you cut them up big. So when people come here and get them curry chicken, them get curry chicken.
Nice size.
Nice size.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice. That's. Yeah.
This is rice and beef now, you know?
Yeah. Look at that, guys.
Nice and rich.
Nice and rich with all that coconut milk and then the peas.
Good season, huh?
Yes. Yeah. Look at that, guys.
White rice, you know? Not brown rice. You see what?
Yeah. And this is gonna finish by the end of the day. So.
Midday, this can. We're 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, so it's done.
Okay.
Cook rice right through the day with things stay fresh, you understand?
Yes, yes. When we get to realize it, you know, you cook a certain portion, then in the day you start back with the next.
Like again, once you finish, we up again and going, you know?
Yes.
Sauteed the rest of the stew chicken.
Okay.
Some carrots, some onion, some thyme, some pimento, some garlic inside there.
Okay.
Put some potatoes in the curry chicken.
Okay.
A lot of people love the curry, you know, curry chicken, the potatoes in there.
Yes. Yeah, because we can see so you dice it up big too, you know?
Yeah, so it stay fit.
Yes.
All right till you finish. So it's a timely thing still, you know, so you don't put it in too early.
Yes.
So you can cook out, you put it out, you know, you can cook and stay fresh and big with the meat, you understand?
Yes.
Alright. That's good enough. Put them down in the gravy so you can cook, right?
Yes.
The gravy is still rich, you understand?
Yes. Because them love them curry gravy too, you know?
Very nice.
Yes.
Better for curry the best for us, you know?
Yeah.
Shake up a little bit. Time with the white rice. Alright.
Yes, chef. What are you saying, chef?
So a lot of people who brown rice, you know?
Yeah.
White rice, so you want to customer love the white rice.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
So gravy, I'm make the gravy now for the stew chicken.
Oh, so you're making the gravy for the stew chicken?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. That's.
Yeah. Put ketchup in there, too, you know?
Yes.
I'm going to cover it up now.
Okay. Seal it. The steam it. Steam it down. Yeah. So as you can see right here, guys, see him just cover the pot with the rice. So as you can see, him put him plastic wrap over it, and then now he's putting his file over it to make sure so he chop all his steam inside it, chef. Yeah. Right? So the rice steam down properly. See? As you can see how he cover it there, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah. What the oxtail, chef?
Yeah, oxtail will come down, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you get tender, you know?
Yeah, man, you can smell it from here, so man.
Oh, yeah, so man, from in there, bubble, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, they're on the final destination, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Right, so I'm gonna put in the stew chicken.
Stew chicken.
Yeah, in the gravy.
Okay. So that's the gravy where you make, and then you fry the chicken separate. Okay. Yeah. I say warm style. Oh, I don't know. We know it as warm style. I don't know brown stew chicken. Yeah, man. Yes, guys.
I want to do it. So when we finish, I'm gonna thick up the gravy a little bit.
Yes.
Get the right color. That's it.
Yeah. Nice. And you know, when we realize with the chef too, one time you come here, son, you get the meat, you know, and I get a small piece of meat, I get a good portion of meat.
Nice portion of it.
Yes.
That's what name must come back.
Must come back.
Must come back.
Hear that, guys? Yes, guys, as you can see, you know, we're in the kitchen. Yeah, man, the chef there, you know?
Big up Kelvin, you see me?
Alright. Yes, guys. I don't know, so you know, I have to come in the kitchen and show you guys the chef a cook, and you don't know, guys, some real authentic Jamaican food. What is it, chef? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
See the color here now?
Yes.
See there?
That's the color you want to get.
That's the color that I eat that now.
So right now you just have to make it go and simmer down.
Simmer down and I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah, right now we are going to do some fried chicken, isn't it?
Fried chicken.
Yeah, authentic fried chicken.
Okay.
Just a little bit more water.
So this chicken is seasoned up from...
Yeah, we have it marinated, man. From over a week ago, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah, so right now we just put the water, drop it in the flour.
Yes. Look at that, guys.
That is it, man.
Yeah.
A little more crispy to it, you know?
Okay.
Very something, man. So we just around 2 bags of chicken.
Okay, and then more for later on.
Yeah, most definitely, man. That's the man.
Yes.
45 pounds of chicken.
Yeah. I'm here from morning and a lot of people coming in for breakfast.
Yeah, most definitely. Breakfast almost done anyway, you see me?
Yes.
And almost 11 o'clock, so we're going to go with the lunch right now.
Okay.
Goat and oxtail,
Yes.
stew chicken, curry chicken, all of them they're ready already.
Okay.
Soup on the fire, same we're going.
Yes.
So the fried chicken mix and also kind of coat him off.
Yeah.
Rub it in the flour and like,
Okay.
chicken well soak and marinate.
Yes. And you want to make sure so the chicken well...
Everything coated.
Right. Look at that, guys. Some good fried chicken.
Get them fully covered, you know.
Yes.
Right, ready to fry, you know. Straight up in there fry, you know.
Okay.
That's already.
Nice.
Your time you walk around.
Okay, so how long you give it for? 15, 20?
13 minutes.
13 minutes.
13 minutes, man. Hold them, bro. Nice and juicy.
Alright. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man. Second batch of fried chicken, you know.
Golden brown.
Golden brown, very crispy.
Yeah.
Juicy inside.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. Look at this. Lovely juicy fried chicken. Very crispy.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I eat man.
I
Fried
eat.
chicken straight, you know?
Yes, guys. Look at their fried chicken right there. Yeah, golden brown.
Yeah. Yeah. White rice, you know?
Oh yeah, look after some white rice here.
It's natural white rice.
Yes.
Served on the island, you know?
Yes. Make some spinners. Yeah. Look at that, guys.
Secret sauce, is it?
Oh, you have some secret sauce.
Yeah, man. Must come back now, is it?
Must come back. Yeah. So you pre-cook them in the oven first and then, okay, just finish it off on the grill.
That's smoky flavor, is it?
Yes. Guys, nice jerk chicken right here. As you can see, chef, they put it in the oven and now they're gonna finish it off on the grill. Gosh, look at that, chef. Yeah man, we have our carrot and your
Okra, potato, and the dumpling.
yes. Nice, some good manish water. So it's a good chef.
You can go to soon ready now, you know?
Okay.
Nice and pretty. Nice. These them say I love the goat, you know?
You love the goat?
Yeah, man, I say I love the goat.
Guys, look at that. Oh, so you just turn them over now.
Yeah, man, nice real color there, nice.
Yeah. Get that smoky. Nice. Look at that. Yeah man, as you can see, chef them there, cocoa.
Island kitchen.
Yeah, in a Brampton.
Brampton, 175 Fletchers. No joke about it, you see me?
Yes, see chef there, you know. Yeah.
Roll it, that's it.
Yeah man, guys, as you see, you see me bring you in the kitchen, that to show you how the chef them cook up them food, some real authentic Jamaican food. Yes. They say server down this a server for yeah. Yeah man. So you don't know. You have to come down to Island Kitchen in Brampton. Yeah man, come check them out because the food, not to lie. So far, amazing. We try the breakfast and the breakfast. Yeah man. Chef, breakfast bad man, like my saltfish man. Tastes really good man. Yes man. Especially on the fried dumpling and the plantain and the salt mackerel.
Chai pan bean.
Chai pan and the chai pan bean. As you can see, look at this guys. The chef just has coated soup right here. Wow. Look at that.
The fried chicken.
Yes guys.
nice, you know man, sir?
Nice. And then look at that chalk. Hold it. Yeah.
What we have to talk about, see man, sir?
Yes.
The skin is, see the top part of the skin is important.
Yeah.
That's the seller right there. Because when people come and say, you know,
Yes. And once they taste it. Oh gosh.
and I say not the food speak for itself. You know, see
Yes.
man, sir?
Yes. So chef, what would be the most popular dish?
Everything when I like, everything good enough.
Everything good?
Enough pork sell, enough jerk chicken and barbecue fry. See man, sir?
Yes.
Saturday, you know, every hotel soup sell out. When I come early, don't fry you.
Yes.
See man, sir? Everything
Yes.
proper.
Okay. Cause they here from morning and amount of people me see come in and you know order food. Breakfast almost finished. Yeah. And as you can see right here guys, they have the curry goat here so. Oh gosh.
Nice and cricket.
Yes.
Get in the camera, and when the camera come too close and the camera want to get something, you know.
You don't get so much. Yeah man. That's how you go in the chef.
Take your pan to rice down, you see?
Yes.
Rice and peas, yeah.
Okay.
I'm ready.
So the rice and peas ready now?
Yeah, we can check them and make sure, sir. You know, man?
Yes. Yes.
Banana in this one, you know.
Oh, you gotta put some green banana. Yes. And the green banana bring out the flavor in the soup too, right? Yeah. Why? It's a pot of well loaded. I don't think you can hold nothing more, chef.
The goat meat and all the goat head.
Okay.
So try it tonight right now. Bubble up, so we'll put in the goat head now.
Yes. Okay.
No nice shrimp, you see what I'm saying?
Yes. So look at that, guys.
So the goat head now.
Okay.
Prepare pepper and, you know.
Yes.
Pepper and thing.
Yes. Yes or no, chef?
Go on doing thing, you know.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Bubble up and then taste him up again, make sure I'm alright.
Yes.
That for the road.
Alright.
Yeah, man, natural plain rice, man.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
On the front line.
So the jerk chicken ready?
Yeah, man, go. Pack him up and out.
Okay.
It's nice and pretty.
Yeah.
It's all about presentation.
Right. Right.
Make sure everything set up nice and, you know, and
Yes.
also taste good. Not just pretty, just taste and make sure it tastes good. You understand?
Ah, say ready now, ready to serve.
Go, ready.
Alright.
So, we're done with the pork, so we're clean off and mix out there. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
sauce you use with a different pan, you understand?
Yes. See that, guys? That's their jerk pork here. So they put it in the oven and they cook it for a bit, and now they're gonna finish it off on the grill.
Container for the pork.
Oh, different container so you make your sauce.
Yeah, so you know this piece of your chicken.
Yes.
And this is for the pork.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
So curry goat ready now, yeah?
Curry goat ready. Yes. So the chef will go and season it down. Put him seasoning. Yeah man. Pot was bubbling over. Yeah. Some nice, good manish water. Some good coated soup. Yes guys, I hope you guys like up this video, you know, because trust me, all of these greatness I'm bringing to you guys. Yeah man, make sure you like up the video and come on down here and check them out. Island Kitchen in Brampton. Island Kitchen and Catering in Brampton. Yeah man. Nice. Oh. Nice. Look at that guys. You know, cut it up, chef. You just drop it all like that. Yes.
Soup, so you know,
yes. See that guys? Yeah. Oh gosh. We are going to check now the rice pot now, chef.
Rice each for itself. Some people come when they come here,
Yes.
not even gravy they want.
On the rice.
Just rice.
That's how it nice.
So nice. You understand?
Jesus Christ.
So we can't really tell them certain recipe about it. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Keep back some.
Yes. Yes. And the richness, look at the color right there, so guys. Yeah man. Gosh. Yeah. So it ready now, chef? Steam down a little bit more.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Just give them one mix of it.
Yes. For all the people who love them rice and peas, look at this. This is what you call rice and peas. Look at that, guys. Yeah.
Steam them some more and we go to go. You understand?
Yes. Guys, look at that. Oh gosh. Yeah. Yes.
Ready for the road.
Alright.
Love to fire. Real thing, not fake, that's it.
Not fake. Real jerk pork. Alright, so look at that. Yeah. Good. What you say? Deadly.
It's a liver touch. It's a scent alone.
Oh gosh. Alright.
Scent alone. Yeah?
Yes. So this for your fried fish, chef? Guys, look at this. Yeah man, just came off the grill. Look at that. Some nice jerk pork. Oh gosh. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Only need some scotch bonnet pepper, you know?
Put on it to just finish it off.
That is it.
Yeah. Guys. Some good old jerk pork. Nice.
This is ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
But guys, right now, chef, but look about some escovitch fish.
Yeah man, escovitch fish. Fry the snapper them first.
Yes.
Got those snapper and kingfish.
Okay. Alright. Yes, chef. So it's a fish. Some good escovitch.
Yeah man.
And some snapper.
Alright.
See that, guys? Yeah. Yeah, man.
Push on around something fresh.
Yes, guys, like you can see, look. It's not already. Nobody is, you know, the fish was frying. Yes, yes, yes. The fish.
Turn them over.
Yeah.
Turn them over.
Okay. Yeah, man. They say fish is ready. Ready. Ah, it's a nice, good snapper. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Fish are finished now, so we'll go set it up for the escargots now.
Okay, I'll set it up for the escovitch. Alright. Yeah, guys. Alright. Yes, guys, as you can see, a lot of people coming in. Hey, say, she not stop run back and forth, I serve. Busy. Yes, guys. Nice. That's alright. Where's your chef? That's
Yeah, that's it. Veg, you know?
okay, so we have it here.
We just have carrot and lettuce and cabbage.
Okay. And just mix them together.
Yeah, with the sugar and the vinegar on it, you know it all?
Okay. Nice. Nice. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Some good curry goat with some pot. Vegetables and white rice. Nice.
Putting up some peppers for the fish.
Okay.
Alright, so for these peppers are very hot, so we're not going to use a lot of it.
Okay.
You can't make it too hot for the customers, right?
Yes.
Carrots.
Okay, chef. So what are you looking about now, chef?
We'll do the escargots for the fish right now.
Okay. Yes, guys. So the chef, that's all about the escovitch for the fish. Yeah. Yes, guys. As you can see.
Setting up now.
Yeah.
You can see some part of this,
Okay.
Salt, this first with the pepper.
Yes. So you add some vinegar and a little bit of
Oil,
oil.
some cumin, some little seasoning, you know.
Yeah.
So when you heat up and bubble up, we taste it and see the level of the pepper,
Okay.
sauce and everything, right? So you go from there.
Okay. And the pepper we have in it is like one of those hot pepper.
Hot pepper, so
So you can't put too much.
yeah, a little bit, and then you taste it and see the level of heat in it. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
Alright. Yeah, make it too hot for the customers, you know. But the mother want extra pepper, then we give them the sauce.
Yes.
What I do dip the fish in the sauce.
right? So you get the full thing. It's cooked. You understand?
Okay. So you dip it in the sauce.
Right.
Okay.
Some people make it on the straight all over the fish. You understand? Looking different.
Yes.
And everything yes. You understand?
Yeah. So that means you get the sauce well soaked in the fish. Yes. See that, guys? You dip in fish inside the sauce first, so you make sure so the fish well soaked with the escovitch. Yeah. As you can see right here, guys. Yeah. And then look at this now. You have him kingfish and him snapper fish here fried. As you can see right here, so him have him onion and him sweet pepper and him carrot. Yeah, man, a saute. A little bit of seasoning. Look at that. Yeah. So just add some seasoning to it.
Black pepper and
Okay. Add some black pepper on it.
a little bit just to bring up the color of the thing. You understand?
Yeah. So right now I'm just going to saute it. Yeah. Nice.
You don't cook all the onion too much, right? I don't want it to be soft. You want it to be al dente, you know, a little bit crispy.
Okay.
You understand? A little bit
Yes.
kind of firm. Because when you put it in the display warmer,
Yes.
it will look ugly. After a little minute or so, right?
Okay. Alright. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So you pour the sauce all over the fish. So you know, make sure the sauce well marinate in the fish. And then you don't know the carrots and the onion. Spread it all over. Yes.
Something you bring up just the way it looks. You want it already, you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Presentation is the key to, right?
Yes, yeah, presentation, of course. You have to have presentation. Look at that. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, one of the best cook shop this Island Kitchen. For the first time this start, bro. Island Kitchen, one of the best in a Brampton.
No,
No, when I say when I'm saying a joke,
no
me
one
talk
of
about
the
it.
best. The best.
The best.
So yeah, say, mommy, you recommend him to come down here, come try.
I do. And he's very picky with food. So
Yeah,
if
man.
he say he love it,
Yes.
it's good.
All right.
Yes.
Nice.
Give me a small rice and peas. With and some oxtail.
Alright. Pasta salad or coleslaw? Alright. One meal. This is how busy it is when it comes to lunchtime. You have to run like your head cut off like chicken.
Yeah, man, we can see that, man. We can see how much people are coming and, you know, all that. Yeah.
Yeah, man, busy.
That's a good thing. That means the food is
So
nice.
if you've never been here yet, just come on over.
All right.
I'm my restaurant this man.
Are you a restaurant?
Yeah man, I'm my restaurant this man.
Yeah.
And me run things man.
Yeah. So we ask about the food now.
Oh man, the food awesome man. The food good man.
Yeah.
The food highway man. Are the best food round here man.
All right. So.
Yeah man.
Yes.
Yes, the manish water, the jerk pork, the chicken and everything.
Yes.
Don't even talk about the fish. Oh Lord man. Yeah man.
Yeah, regular. You come
And the relationship and the, you know.
customer service.
Yeah, the customer service are the best in the town, man.
That's true, man. From
Yeah.
come here, man. Customer service.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Like a family, man.
Yes.
When you reach out, so you feel like you're at home, you know.
Yes. Nice.
Respect. Right, sir?
Yeah, man. Bless up, man.
Yeah, bless you.
Right. Some sweet peppers, some
Yeah.
thyme, some onions. We have some carrots cut up and some hot peppers.
Nice. Yes. See this, guys? Yes. And right now they're making your jerk pasta. Yeah, man. And you guys gonna see how they make their jerk pasta. Yes. You see, guys? You see? We're in the kitchen from morning. They're showing you guys after these amazing food that they're cooking. Alright, now the chef say I look after some jerk pasta, and you guys have to see this, how they make their jerk pasta. Yeah.
Freshly done off the grill. Just debone it.
Yes. Yeah.
With the rasta pasta and jerk chicken pasta.
Okay, this is a jerk chicken pasta.
Jerk chicken pasta.
And this is how you guys make your guys jerk chicken pasta, right?
One coming there. Alright, Miss Alice. Alright. Putting the vegetables in there right now. Nice and pretty, you know?
Nice and creamy.
You eat this and now go home, you know?
When you eat this, you not go home.
You know go home today, man.
See that? See that, guys? Then so when once we try it, we're not going home. They should have to send for me because the food is gonna be so nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Freshly done this morning.
Yes.
Everything fresh. You understand?
Yeah.
Mixing this now. So the bubble with it.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. And this pot of pasta, I'm gonna finish by this afternoon.
Couple hours and I'm done.
Oh gosh, look at that, guys. It's a couple hours and it's finished.
And this is not even online. This is just walking in the store. And you can't put it online. It's done. You understand? It's just in store.
Yes.
Fresh is the no delicious.
That's the name of that's the logo.
That's the logo. See?
Yeah.
I'll just show it inside there right there.
Nice. Look at that. Look at that.
It's not plating.
That's nice.
Just by looking at this and no set. You see me, sir?
Yes.
It speaks for itself.
Yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Well seasoned.
Yes. Yes, guys. Can't wait for try it. I'm not tell a lie. Look at that. Look at that. See that?
Not left back nothing.
Nothing at all. Chef, all the people we are watching and I see all of the food that we're cooking. What you want to tell them?
You know, check in, man. We have some authentic food, no, man.
Yes.
175 Fletchers Boulevard, you know, Brampton.
Yes.
Island Kitchen.
Right.
Authentic Jamaican food. You see what I say?
Yes.
So let's check in.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yes, guys, so you know, in the kitchen from morning, and as you can see, chef them still working. Right? I'm here from 6 o'clock in the morning, and right now it's what time? It's almost 2 o'clock. Yes, guys, and you can see all of the food that they're cooking from this morning. So guys, Trust me. You gotta come on down here and check them out. Yeah, man, you have to come on down here and check them out.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
My place, man.
Yes.
Artist thing in Brampton, you know?
Yeah.
This Jamaican spot, man.
Alright.
One island kitchen, you know?
Yes.
Right,
So,
man.
so for the people who will watch, and they
Yeah.
never try the food yet, they just see it. What you tell them, say?
Well, if you never try it, you know, you miss out something, you know.
Yes.
Nothing try, nothing done, you know. As we
Yeah.
say, artist spot, man. Artist thing, man, you know?
Alright.
Big up, you know?
Yes.
No? Good look. Small barbecue. This is our small.
That's look at that.
Man,
Small barbecue.
you eat and left it tomorrow. 2 in 1.
Alright guys, as you can see, look at this. Yeah man. Alright. See, this is your breakfast in the morning. And you don't know we have a porridge here guys. Yes. Look at that. Gosh. Yeah man, as you can see here guys. Yes, as you can see. You know, so we'll have some liver right here, some callaloo, ackee and saltfish, curry chipe and bean, and you don't know we have a ground provision right here. And then now here we have some vegetable, fried dumpling, and fried plantain, and here we have some porridge, some good cornmeal porridge. Yeah man. Alright. Yes guys, as you can see, the breakfast in the morning. Yeah man, ackee and saltfish. As you can see how the chef, we're cooking in ackee and saltfish this morning. Look at this guys, look at that. Yeah man. Nice, like the flavor, just real good. Just real good. And you get the ackee, as you can see, in a shot of ackee here guys. Good cornmeal dumpling. Look at this. Yeah. Gosh. Right off the bottom. Yes, real good. Cornmeal dumpling and ackee. Oh, yes guys. Salt mackerel, I forgot to show you guys this. Salt mackerel, as you can see. Yeah. The food is well seasoned. You can taste all the seasoning in the food, guys. Come on. Alright. Guys, salt mackerel. Ackee tastes good so far. This is the curry chipe and bean. You can taste the flavor in that. And you see these, you can know it's well seasoned up. Curry chipe and bean tastes real good guys, real good. Look at that. Gosh. Nice and juicy. So right now I'm gonna try the callaloo. The chef said it up. Nice flavor. Tastes real good. As the chef said, it's a thin callaloo, so you don't have the rich flavor as well. You know, when you're cutting up the fresh callaloo, when you have the fresh callaloo, but it tastes real good. Flavor, nice. This is the saltfish and okra. That's nice. And I must say, food well seasoned, well of flavor, real nice. So right now I'm gonna try the liver. Yes. For all the people that love the liver. Good. This is some good breakfast food, as you can see. Alright, now move on to fried dumpling and festival. There guys. See? Fried dumpling. Look at this. Look at that guys. Nice. Yeah. Look at that. Fried plantain. Breakfast. The chef and bottom alright. The chef and can cook. Food tastes real good guys. Real good. Oh, yeah. Right now guys, go and enjoy breakfast, but tell you honest truth, tastes real good. Food, A1. Yeah man. Have to try it. Hold on guys, try the porridge first. Yes guys, this is some good cornmeal porridge. Look at that. Look at that guys. Yeah. Gosh, look at that. See all the steam coming from that? So you're going to be well fresh, as you can see how they were making the porridge this morning. Yeah. It's real good, man. Nice. Nice. Yeah, man. Tastes real good. Nice. Caramel porridge. Yeah, man. I get these caramel porridge, you only can drink a small bowl because they fill it up because this porridge tastes real good. Yeah, man. Awesome. Guys, right now, go and enjoy my food. I'll check him back in a bit. Yeah, but so far breakfast, thumbs up. Tastes real good. It's a must try. Our oil chef said, once you try it, it's a must come back. You have to come back, come try this. How long Island Kitchen catering here in Brampton?
You know, Island Kitchen has been open from 2023, so 2 years since last month.
Yeah.
And it's a good look, it's a good, you know, the community come to support. And we started this because, you know, we used to be in a background of cooking. We used to work with a company before, but it got shut down, you know.
Okay.
So we just come up together, start out one, bring out the tradition from Jamaica. Not just that, because we do like roti, you know, shrimp, salmon, but those stuff are done to order.
Okay.
Yeah, man, and the good pasta there, you know.
Yes, yes, I see that how they're making the pasta.
Yeah, man.
What's one of the most selling food you guys have here?
Right now, most seller is the, you know, the curry goat, the jerk chicken, the jerk pork. You know, everything is just good. Not to mention the rice and peas, because we use, you know, the long grain rice and not the parboiled rice. So, you know, the good coconut.
Yes.
So, yeah, man, everything is a top tier.
Okay, nice, nice. So, if anyone want to find you, how can they reach you?
We're at Unit 6 at Brampton, 175 Fletchers Street Boulevard, you know, right in the Ample Plaza beside the Mandarin. But we're facing Blvd, so if you want to come, you have to walk around.
Okay.
Yeah,
And I realize there's other location of Island Kitchen.
Yes, so far we have 3 locations. We have one in Pickering, one in Ashwa, you know. We take time, you know, as the community help us to grow, you know, we come to grow, to elevate higher heights, you know.
Nice, nice.
And there's a slice of the cake for everybody.
Right. So you want to say to everyone who's watching out there. So,
And thank you for support, and I hope that those who are watching will come and, you know, try us out and leave back your comment and see, because we are here not just for, you know, we are here to take compliment, you know, whatever criticism, so that we can grow. So you just come out and show us the support.
yes, guys, me not telling customer service A1. You know what I mean?
Top tier. Just
Yes.
come over. Nice
Alright.
people, you know, one Jamaica.
Yes.
Not to mention, know that we're a part of giving back, you know?
Yes.
Giving back.
Okay. All right. Thank
Alright.
you. Alright guys, as you can see, right now I'm here from about 6 o'clock in the morning, and right now it's just after 2. And you see the chef is cooking up all of these amazing food. You know I have to try it. Look at this guys, fried chicken, and as you see how they were making their pasta guys. Yeah man, and all the chef were doing the fried chicken and the jerk pork and the rice and peas. Then so me have to try this rice and peas with no gravy and tell you guys how it tastes. Alright, first thing first, let me try the rice and peas. Nice. Nice. This rice and peas nice. Now me see what the chef were saying. You don't need no meat when you're eating this rice and peas because it's full of flavor. I don't know. Them season it like how they season their chicken. But it tastes so good. Good man. Nice. Yeah man, big up the chef man. Yeah. Guys, let me try the fried chicken now. As you guys see how the chef were frying the chicken. Alright. Look at this. Look at that nice. Gosh, nice and juicy. Guys, this is one of the top restaurants. Food A1. No joke guys. Fried chicken. Guys. Food tastes real good guys. So now try the jerk pork. See there? Nice and tender, right heat. And you know when you have jerk pork, you have to have some spice to it. And this is it. This is it. Flavor on point. Tastes real good. Real good guys. Tastes like jerk pork. We have a little bit of heat to it, a kick to it. So now I'm gonna try jerk chicken pasta. Yeah. Nice and creamy. And you can taste the coconut milk, you can taste all the cream to it, and the jerk chicken sauce. Gosh. Guys, food, I would say 10 out of 10. Tastes real good. No joke about that. I want you guys to come on down here and try the food. And if you like what you guys see, make sure you guys come on down here and check them out at Island Kitchen Catering in Brampton. Food amazing. It's a must try. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I hope you guys like, share and subscribe. And remember, tell a friend and tell a friend, because we have so much more amazing video coming guys. So see you guys. God bless.